In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set nicknames in Instagram DMs. Nicknames are a simple way to personalize your chats, keep group conversations organized, or just add a bit of fun without changing anyone's actual Instagram name. Everything you set stays inside that specific chat, so it won't affect how names appear anywhere else on Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app and heading to your messages. Tap the paper airplane icon in the top right corner of your home screen. Depending on your app version, this might look like the Messenger style chat icon, but it's always in that top right spot. This takes you straight into your DM inbox. Next, select the conversation where you want to add or change a nickname. You can do this in a one-on-one chat or in a group chat. Just tap the chat to open it and make sure you're inside the conversation view before moving on. At the top of the chat, tap the chat name or the user's handle. This opens the chat info screen where you manage settings and details for that conversation. It's the place where you'd adjust things like theme notifications and, of course, nicknames. Now look for the option labeled nicknames. You might need to scroll a little to find it, especially in group chats with more settings visible. Tap nicknames to open a list of participants, including you. Choose the person whose nickname you want to set. You can select someone else in the chat or tap your own name to set how your name appears to others in that conversation. A pop-up will appear. Type the nickname you want, then tap Done to save. Your change applies only to this chat. In group conversations, Instagram will notify the other members that a nickname was updated so everyone stays in the loop. If you ever want to change it again, just repeat this process and edit the text. To remove a nickname, clear the text and save. A quick note on privacy and visibility: nicknames are local to the chat and don't replace someone's username or display name across Instagram. They help you label people in ways that make sense to you and your group. If you don't see the nicknames option, it may depend on your app version or region, as features can roll out gradually. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more